The reason why I joined Toastmasters is because I was tired of living in fear of public speaking.
I'm the mayor of the city of Southgate. I'm often asked to speak, and sometimes I get to prepare and sometimes I don't. You would think I'd be accustomed to it by now, but I still get a little nervous. So it was important for me to join Toastmasters.
And I remember my boss telling me that I needed to improve my communication skills.
I joined because of its reputation for creating effective leaders and great communicators.
Since joining Toastmasters, I am now more confident as a leader. I focus on delivering the message to my audience, and I feel that I am more respected by my direct reports, and that's a huge accomplishment.
It's been an excellent adventure. I got a lot more than I ever expected. Not only did I get to practice my communication skills, but I've been developing leadership skills as well. And not only that, but I've developed a few good friends, and I'm really proud of that and happy that.
Being a Toastmaster has not only helped me in my professional life, but as well as my personal life.
I encourage everyone to join Toastmasters. I talk about it highly. I recommend it to folks. It's an organization that's been around for 90 years and has really developed folks to be the leaders that they should be in their communities. And for that, I thank Toastmasters.